Let's take a quick look around the basic Gizmos controls. The one thing that I really like about this is that you really can't mess it up. If you follow the instructions on the worksheet and you do make a mistake, you can always just click the reset button. So let's take a look at some of the things that you see here. You have your control bar down here. So here's your play button. And as you can see, things are changing. You can pause. If you've made a mistake, you can reset. Read the instructions to know what you should be looking at, how long you should be letting it run, and if you need to change any of the other materials. So let's look at this control bar. You can type in a number here if you needed to make some changes. Or you could move the bar using your hand. Again, once you hit play, you can pause it and you can reset it if you need to make some changes. The default is on the description, but you have different options. You can view it as a table. You can view it as a bar chart. You can also click this, show numerical values. You can view it as a graph. If you need to take a closer look or use different tools, you can click the tool arrow and you have additional options. If it ever calls for you to take a screenshot, I'm not going to have you do that. So you can ignore that if it's in your directions. So that's just a really quick tutorial. Again, the reset is probably your most important tool.